Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting two photos where subjects face one another or can be oriented that way. Open both images in your editor and duplicate layers so you never overwrite originals. Once done, crop both to the same aspect ratio. This ensures seamless alignment later. You should also match basic exposure roughly now, because consistent brightness prevents harsh edges when masking. Make sure to save a version labeled Working, so you can iterate without losing the untouched files. Now you refine how the two subjects meet. Place the subject intended to be in front on the top layer and add a layer mask. Paint with a soft brush to reveal only the arm and torso you want hugging. Once the mask roughly fits, use transform and warp tools to align shoulders and hips. This creates believable contact. Also feather the mask edges slightly so skin blends. You can lower opacity to test. Keep toggling visibility to compare before and after, and refine until the connection reads natural. Finish by matching colors and depth so the hug looks real. You should use selective color or curves to equalize skin tones and temperature across layers. Subtle shifts matter. Then paint soft shadow under the forearm and between bodies to anchor them. Reduce opacity and blur for realism. Once satisfied, apply a gentle global sharpening and flatten a copy for export. If seams remain, revisit masks and shadows. If color mismatch persists, adjust white balance on the offending layer and recheck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.